Good day everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to add multiple viewers in ERDAS IMAGINE 2015. Multiple viewers is very necessary, especially when you want to physically assess changes in a particular feature over time. Maybe you have image of a particular area that is over time and you want to see the changes, so you can use multiple viewers to bring in the data of different years to see if there is any change visually. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. So to do that, come to start, come to ERDAS IMAGINE 2015 and launch So this is the interface of ERDAS IMAGINE 2015. So when you open it or launch it, by default it opens one view or one viewer. So if you want multiple viewer, to add more viewer, come to under home, come to add view, click here, click on create new 2D view. If we create it, the second viewer has been added. So if you want another viewer, click here and click on create new 2D view. You can see the third one has been added. Now come to this first one. If you want to bring in data, let's say 3 different data of the same area, to be able to view the 3 at the same time, come to this first one, right click and click on open raster layer. So let me go to click on recent to go to the recent folder I went to, click on OK. So in this folder I have 3 different data here: 2003 composite, 2004 composite and 2005 composite for the same area. So I want to view the 3 at the same time, so I'll click on this and click on OK. So it is added. So I can now click on fit to frame. You can see this is the data. Now I'll come to the second viewer, right click and click open raster layer. Then I'll go to recent, click on OK. So to take me to my folder, this is it, 2004 composite. I'll click on OK. So it is added. I can now come here and click on fit to frame. So you can see it has been fitted to frame. Then I'll come to the third view, right click, open raster layer. I'll go to recent, click on OK. I want to bring in the 2005 composite. Click on OK. So it is added. Then I can now click on fit to frame. So it has been fit to frame. Now this is the use. If I, for example, I want to look at this water body, if I zoom in to this water body at 2003, this is how the water body looks like. So I can also come here, this is 2004, this is the water body, this is 2005. I can zoom in to this very water body and see. So you can see at the same time I can visually inspect this water body in 2003, in 2004 and in 2005 if there is any change. So this is how to add multiple viewers in ERDAS IMAGINE 2015 for you to be able to view different data at the same time, or the same data at different year at the same time. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share this video and like it. Thank you.